Hello everyone, it's me again, May Tabalan Cornelison, and today I'll be showing to you my drawing of one of the French famous mistress of King Louis XIV, a painting of Madame Pompadour by Francois Boucher. So yeah, I like the Rococo style from 17th century because of their bright and pastel color, and I'm trying to draw the same, but I use the color pencil by Faber CASTELL. It's a German brand, and as you can see in my drawing, I do some sketching first using pencil, and then I add up the color. And in this drawing, I make my own version, so I copy the dress, the style, but I make the hair of the woman longer. It's like black colored hair. Yeah, I have a black colored hair, but yeah, I like their dress, their fashion before, so I tried to copy this kind of style of painting. So I hope you will enjoy, guys. And I like to use also color pencil because it's not really toxic. I mean, unlike, I love oil painting, but I usually use solvent, so it's not so safe like now that I'm pregnant. So I enjoyed using color pencil, and that's the most important. So hope you will enjoy looking at these small clips, and don't forget to add me or subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of different kind of techniques and mediums for art, and just relax and enjoy. Thank you. Bye bye.